Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So Halloween is one of my favourite times because I absolutely love decorating my house real scary. So I decided to actually come up with my own wreath that I could hang on my front door. I decided that I'd actually share the process with you because it's so quick and easy and it's really affordable. So yeah, let's get started. So to make the wreath, you're going to need a polystyrene hoop, approximately 2.5 meters of tulle, a half meter of a feather rope. Honestly, I have no idea what the name of this is, but if you know what it is, leave me a comment and let me know. Then you're going to need 2 meters of ribbon, red string lights, and then a light decorative skull which you're going to place in the centre. I actually got mine in Deals, which I think is actually Poundland in the UK, and it was only £1.50. And then you're going to need some super glue or a glue gun, scissors and a handful of pins. Okay, so now you're going to fold your tulle in half and you're going to start cutting out 10cm wide strips. But don't worry about keeping it straight or accurate, you won't notice it once it's done. So once you've those cut out, cut along the fold of the tulle and this will actually give you 2 separate strips. Okay, so now for the fun part. Taking your strip, you're going to fold it over and bring it behind the hoop. And now you're going to slip the tulle up from the front into the loop that you've made with the tulle. And then pull it pull it as tight as you can, but just be careful not to break the polystyrene as it can be quite delicate. Hopefully I explained that okay. So if I haven't, I'll repeat the process a few times in the video so you can just see how I do it. Okay, so this part can actually take a little bit of time, so what I always love to do is stick on one of my favourite Halloween movies, which is Scream, so you should stick one on as like your background noise and get you into that festive mood. Okay, so when you've that done, you're actually going to have to go around the loop again, and this is just to fill in the gaps and make the wreath look more full. Once you're done, make sure all the white is covered before moving on to the next step. So taking the ribbon and a pin, pick a starting point at the back of the hoop and then pin the ribbon down. Now start wrapping the ribbon around the hoop, skipping every 4 tulle strips. Pin the ribbon down at the back when you're finished looping it around. So taking your string of lights, you're going to wrap it around the hoop, and I actually just used the ribbon to hold the lights in place. I actually then just stuck the battery pack behind a strip of the tulle. So taking that feather strip, pin it in a circle around the inside of the hoop, creating a kind of like a little nest that you're going to put the skull into. So now using the glue, you're going to put a generous amount on the bottom of the skull and then place the skull inside the hoop. You're definitely going to want to hold it in place for a while just to make sure that it's fully stuck down before you move away. And that is pretty much your Halloween wreath. Now all you have to do is light it up and put it on display for everyone to see. So if you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!